Hi guys, my name is Paul and I want to tell you my personal experience with Ultimate Bruxism Cure. For 2 years I had been suffering from nighttime teeth grinding with jaw clenching. I wasn't aware of such disorders till I noticed my teeth became flat as they were worn out. My dentist told me that I'm experiencing a critical sore psychophysical disorder I have to stop immediately. In order to overcome bruxism, my dentist advised me to use a $400 night guard, but after 2 months of even no minor improvement, with annoying device in my mouth while sleeping. Then I and a friend began to research online to know much more about how to treat bruxism, till we found the Ultimate Bruxism Cure. Honestly, I had many doubts and fears about such product at the beginning. I have brought the program and found that it contains the real causes of bruxism, the correct and false positions of sleeping, the reality about effects of herbal remedies and night guards, 3 fundamental supplements should be taken, required exercises like Press Clench, and finally guaranteed technique to stop sleep bruxism forever. After 1 week of usage, Ultimate Bruxism Cure, I have experienced outstanding results, which I'm glad to share with you now. My teeth don't hurt when I wake up and become less sensitive to cold and hot and citrus. My jaw feels relaxed and doesn't hurt anymore. I have far less headaches. I get a much better sleep. I'm less tired during the day. Finally, I'm so glad to recommend to all of the bruxism sufferers to use Ultimate Bruxism Cure.